Hey there, welcome to our channel. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your emotions during an argument with your partner? Or maybe you've struggled to stay calm when your significant other is upset? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a crucial skill for healthy relationships, emotional regulation. This video will show you how to manage your feelings and respond more effectively in your relationships. So, let's get started and learn how to use emotional regulation to improve your connections with others. First, let's understand what emotional regulation actually means. It's the ability to manage and respond to an emotional experience in a way that's appropriate for the situation. This skill is essential in relationships because it helps us communicate more effectively and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Now, let's explore some practical strategies for using emotional regulation in your relationships. 1. Recognize your emotions. The first step is to become aware of what you're feeling. Take a moment to pause and identify the emotion you're experiencing. Is it anger, frustration, sadness, or something else? For example, if your partner forgets an important date, you might feel disappointed or hurt. Recognizing these emotions is the first step in managing them. 2. Accept your feelings. It's important to remember that all emotions are valid. Don't judge yourself for feeling a certain way. Instead, accept your emotions as a natural part of the human experience. This acceptance can help reduce the intensity of your feelings. 3. Take a step back. When emotions run high, it's helpful to create some distance from the situation. This could be as simple as taking a few deep breaths or excusing yourself for a short break. For instance, if you're in a heated argument, you might say, "I need a moment to collect my thoughts. Can we pause for 5 minutes?" This brief pause can help you regain your composure and approach the situation more calmly. 4. Use calming techniques. There are several techniques you can use to calm yourself down in the moment. Deep breathing is a simple yet effective method. Try counting to 4 as you inhale, hold for 4 counts, then exhale for 4 counts. Another technique is progressive muscle relaxation. Start by tensing and then releasing different muscle groups in your body, from your toes to your head. These techniques can help lower your stress levels and make it easier to respond thoughtfully. 5. Reframe your thoughts. Our thoughts greatly influence our emotions. Try to look at the situation from a different perspective. Ask yourself, is there another way to interpret this situation? For example, if your partner is late for a date, instead of assuming they don't care, consider that they might be stuck in traffic or dealing with an unexpected problem. This reframing can help reduce negative emotions and promote understanding. 6. Communicate effectively. Once you've regulated your emotions, it's time to communicate. Use "I" statements to express your feelings without blaming the other person. For instance, instead of saying, "You always ignore me," try, "I feel hurt when I don't receive a response to my messages." This approach is less likely to put your partner on the defensive and can lead to more productive conversations. 7. Practice active listening. Emotional regulation isn't just about managing your own emotions. It's also about responding appropriately to your partner's feelings. When your partner is expressing themselves, give them your full attention. Try to understand their perspective without immediately jumping to defend yourself or offer solutions. Repeat back what you've heard to ensure you've understood correctly. 8. Set boundaries. Healthy boundaries are crucial for emotional regulation in relationships. Identify what you're comfortable with and communicate these limits clearly to your partner. For example, you might say, "I need some alone time after work to decompress. Can we spend time together after dinner instead?" Setting boundaries helps prevent resentment and promotes mutual respect. 9. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential for emotional regulation. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and exercising regularly. Engage in activities that help you relax and recharge. When you're taking good care of yourself, you're better equipped to handle emotional challenges in your relationship. 10. Seek professional help if needed. If you're consistently struggling with emotional regulation, it might be helpful to speak with a therapist or counselor. They can provide personalized strategies and support to improve your emotional regulation skills. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Emotional regulation is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Be patient with yourself as you work on implementing these strategies in your relationships. Remember, the goal isn't to never feel negative emotions, but to respond to them in a healthy and constructive way. By improving your emotional regulation, you can create stronger, more fulfilling relationships. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more relationship advice and personal growth strategies. Thanks for watching, and here's to healthier, happier relationships.